Here you go, babe.
What am I supposed to do? Eat with my hands?
Oh! Right. What's your favorite? Aren't you hungry?
This place is filthy. I mean, I work so hard to provide for this family, and you can't even keep this house clean? I mean, what did you do all day?
One of the most basic needs we have is a desire to be appreciated. And sometimes the most obvious things are the ones that are most difficult to see.
Mommy, we got, Mommy, we got.
We get used to certain things being done for us that we stop recognizing the effort being put into them. It could be getting the kids ready to start the day, or constantly going through endless piles of laundry, always picking up after everybody else's mess. The preparation and time that goes into planning meals, taking care of spills and making sure everyone gets fed, not being able to pause or even take a break, making sure everyone gets to where they need to go. Having hands that are always full and making sure the fridge is never empty. Cooking someone's favorite dinner so they can come home to a hot meal. We usually think of work as having to go into an office, but the truth is, just as much work happens back at home. It's just not as appreciated.
I mean, what did you do all day?
When couples going through a divorce were asked what led to their separation, one of the most common reasons given was a lack of appreciation.
There, it's your favorite. Aren't you hungry?
I mean, what did you do all day?
But little steps can make a big difference. And acknowledging someone's hard work makes them want to work even harder. Even taking a second to appreciate someone can make their entire day. My challenge to you is the next time someone does something nice, try showering them with appreciation and watch their smile spread from cheek to cheek. They're just gonna be ecstatic and much more likely to reciprocate the same feelings towards you, because the more appreciation that you give, the more appreciation that you'll get in return.